Sa dami ng hustle and bustle sa araw-araw, minsan ang kailangan lang natin ay konting pahinga, konting alaga, at syempre, konting glow up. At dito sa City of San Fernando, may isang spot na perfect para sa lahat ng yon. Ito ang Nail Savvy.
Nail Savvy started with just a small dream. Yeah. Kasi me and my sisters are really into nails. So parang we cannot live without nail polish, gel polish, or whatever. So parang it was just like, parang gusto ko ng nail salon because we always go to a nail salon. So parang sabi ko, baka gusto mo na mag-build tayo ng business. So in-start namin siya with the support of our friends and families. So eto na siya, we've been running the business for 7 months already. And so far so good, God is so good.
More than just a nail salon, Nail Savvy is a self-care destination. Dito, hindi lang nails ang napapaganda, kundi pati buong mood mo. Kung mahilig ka sa chic at stylish nails, they've got you covered with nail extensions. And for those who want that long-lasting shine and walang cheap nails kahit busy ka, gel polish ang sagot. Pero hindi lang sa nails umiikot ang Nail Savvy. Ayan, so aside dun sa nails, meron din sila dito sa brows. And ngayon gagawin natin yung lash lift. So ayan, magganon-ganon tayo ng lashes natin. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Pwede ka ring magpa-brows for that perfectly framed look o kaya magpa-lashes para kahit wala kang makeup, fresh and glowing ka pa rin. Tapos na yung ating brows and yung lash lift. Ayan, di ba? Sobrang perfect yung ating brows. Ayan, meron, ayan, simula dun sa umpisa. So, meron siyang brow tint and yung, syempre, yung nilinis nga yung kanina. Meron, ano po tawag dun, threading. Ayan. And then, syempre, yung lashes natin. Ayan, sobrang naging ano siya. Na-lift talaga siya. And, ayun nga, sabi ko nga kay Madam Patricia, parang humaba yung pilik mata ko, di ba? Yan. So, may isang buwan ako hindi mag-aayos masyado ng kilay.
So hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nail Savvy, and sa Nail Savvy hindi lang pang girls yung mga ginagawa nila dito. And as for boys, kailangan din nating normalize na ipamper yung sarili natin. So ngayon, itatry natin yung signature foot spa nila.
At kung relax mode naman ang hanap, their foot spa is a must try. Perfect pampawala ng pagod after a long week or simply kapag gusto mong i-treat ang sarili mo. The best part? Nail Savvy is for everyone. Pwedeng mag-jowa, family, barkada, lahat welcome. It's a place where you can share moments together or simply enjoy your own me time.
Nasa process tayo ngayon ng whitening wrap, which is eto. So wini-wait lang natin na matuyo and makabalik si ate. And then yung mga ginawa sa atin kanina is nirub tayo ng Epsom salt, which is good for the skin kasi nakakalambot siya and may mga benefits din siya, lalo na sa skin natin. So yung last part na experience natin yung hot stone, which is nakakatanggal lamig sa bandang leg part natin and sobrang satisfying siya.
Bukas sila araw-araw from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Kaya perfect kahit after work ka dumaan o weekend bonding with loved ones. Located at Greenfields Square, Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Nail Savvy is easy to find but hard to leave. Kasi once na na-experience mo yung vibe dito, babalik-balikan mo talaga. At the end of the day, self-care is not just a luxury. It's a lifestyle. And here at Nail Savvy, pampering yourself feels effortless, inclusive, and always worth it. So whether it's for the family, for couples, or for your precious me time, there's always a seat waiting for you at Nail Savvy. Kaya don't wait any longer. Book your appointment now and experience the Nail Savvy difference.